my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Mia. If you guys like this video or like any of my other videos, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I do plan on doing a lot more of these thrift hauls and thrift flip videos because I am getting ready for college and pretty much need a whole new wardrobe because Portland weather is absolutely nothing like Hawaii weather. I pretty much wear leggings and jeans all year round and I barely ever wear shorts. So I'm planning on thrift flipping a bunch of shorts or a bunch of jeans that I found at Goodwill in the bins. The majority of my clothes today are from the bins, and if you guys aren't familiar with the bins, it's another store in the Goodwill chain, and basically clothes stay in Goodwill stores for like 4 to 5 weeks, and after those 4 to 5 weeks, if they aren't sold, they get sent to the bins. And usually I'm not very lucky at finding things at the bins, but I think after quarantine, since everyone cleaned out their closets and stuff during quarantine, they sent everything to Goodwill, and Goodwill stores had like an overstock and they sent everything over to the bins. And I found, I think like 6 or 7 pairs of Levi jeans at the bins, and all of them are in like decent conditions. I don't really care about the style of them because I do plan on cropping all of them to shorts. So if you guys are a little less picky, I definitely recommend you guys checking out the bins. Do wear like gloves and a face mask because it is kind of weird to like dig through like piles of people's clothes. But let's get on with the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please drop a like. Okay, actually the first thing is that the shirt I'm wearing is a collared shirt with like 3 stripes on it. It's pretty traditional. Yes, I got it at the bins. I did crop it. Alright, probably one of my favorite finds was not at a Goodwill, but it was at a Portland thrift store. It's this red like flowered dress, and personally I don't wear dresses, but I saw this and I was like, I kind of need it just because maybe I'm gonna go to like a fancy event and just like have to have this dress. And it is a little bit too big for me, but that's fine. We'll work with it. I usually like baggier, like silkier clothes. And then probably my second favorite find, probably one of my best finds ever thrifting, and I've been thrifting for the majority of my life, is this Saks Fifth Avenue like trench coat. And yes, I do not need a trench coat because Hawaii is maybe 70 degrees at the coolest, but I feel like this is a staple to have, and it is a men's coat, but hey, whatever. It was $14, so I like it. Hopefully I'll go to New York sometime and have to wear it. I was looking for mainly staples, like long sleeve like turtlenecks that are really light that I can wear in like hotter weather or like cooler hotter weather. So like Portland's hot weather, which is like 70 or 80 degrees. Because I have these 2 dresses that are just like a little bit too like fancy for me, and I want like to put a turtleneck or like long sleeve tee under them just to like unfancyify them. So this is the first one I got. It's just a gray like long sleeve turtleneck, pretty normal for everyone to have in their closet. I also got a pretty normal white knit long sleeve turtleneck. And then this, I really like this shirt, but I don't know if I can wear it in Hawaii. It's probably gonna be way too hot, but it'll probably just be like wear it around my dorm because it is kind of, there's like one hole in it that I have to mend, but it's very cute. It's very like 80s vibes for me, and I kind of have been falling into that like baggy jeans and like skater tee shirts and stuff. And then specifically for Hawaii, for going to the beach, I got 2 Hawaiian shirts and I really like them. One of them is kind of weird. You guys have to like tell me your opinions on it because it's not this one, it's the other one, but this one I really like. It's kind of just like, it's a cropped like short sleeve Hawaiian shirt. And then this is the one that's kind of weird to me because I really liked it because it was like baggy and like a pretty color. It's like a pretty pink color, but I'm pretty sure that these are hop plants on it, and I did not like think that was what they were until I bought it and I was like looking at it closely. I still like it, but please like comment below if you guys think that's actually like a hop plant. Okay, and then starting to get into my jeans. I got quite a few of them, and I think I'm trying to remember, all of them except for one of them were from the bins. So they're all like, the bins like go by like pay per pound, and it's like $2 a pound. So all of these jeans were like $2 to $4, which is pretty cool. These are some Levi's. They're Levi 550s. Next pair are Eddie Bauers, which I don't usually wear Eddie Bauer clothes, but they have like really sturdy clothes. I have like one flannel from them, but I really like the wash on these, so I got them. They're all like straight leg jeans, just because I know I'm gonna like crop the majority of them. These are the next ones, still Levi's 559s, which I just buy Levi jeans. I don't really care what the number on the back of them are. These are them. I like the wash of them. Once again, straight leg. These next ones were Wrangler jeans, which I don't usually like. Usually when I'm thrifting, I try and stick to Levi jeans, or like, I don't know, just, yeah, mainly Levi jeans. But these were like black, and I really want like black. Like, I have a pair of like black shorts, but I need another one just because I'm going to be wearing a lot of shorts. And I need more high-waisted stuff. So these are pretty high-waisted, and I like the color of them. And they were kind of like distressed already. Like, the bottom of them are frayed pretty well, or they're like pretty frayed. So I'm fine with that. I'm going to crop them. Next pair, these were the ones that these were the one pair of jeans I didn't get at the bins. I forget where I get them. Oh, I did get them at Goodwill, but I didn't get them at the bins. These were, once again, Levi's. They're a little bit stretchier, but I like the wash of them, so I'm going to crop them again. My favorite pair of pants that I got, well, that I found. Well, actually, my cousin found them. Shout out to her, thanks. Thanks for finding them, thanks for giving them to me. I really love Carhartts. Like, my favorite jacket is a Carhartt, and I just like the brand itself. And these were a pair of like, pretty like intact. Like, they're not frayed at all. I'm not gonna crop these because I just like want them as pants. And I love the like pockets and like the hammer holder. I think it's called a hammer holder. I have no idea what it is, but I love Carhartt, so this was incredible to find. Okay, well, that's all the clothes that I have. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like the video. And if you guys want more of these videos, let me know. And I'm also going to be doing a thrift flip on my jeans and some of the shirts that I got. So stick around for next week's video, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day.